Hello friends, welcome to English Catist. Today we are going to talk about to-be verbs in present tense. As you know, we have three to-be for this tense: am, is, and are. We use am for I subject. We use are for you, we, they. And we use is for he, she, and it. Like I am, you are, we are, they are, he is, she is, it is. Now, the important thing is that when we use to be verbs in present tense, we use to be in present to talk about names, professions, nationalities, age, feelings, and marital status. Look at some examples. The first one: she is Sarah, about names. The second one: I am a dentistry student, about professions, jobs, or majors. The next one: you are German, about nationalities. The first: he is married, about marital status. And the last one about feelings, they are happy today. Now, look at the blue box. These verbs have an abbreviated form. What's the meaning of that? It means that instead of saying I am, we can use I'm. You are, your. She is, she's, or he is, his. We are, were. They are, their. And it is, its. So, we can use the abbreviated form of them instead of I am, you are, she is, we are, they are, and it is. Now, we want to learn that how we can make a sentence negative with to be verbs and how we can make question with them. I'll write two examples. Look at the first example. She is a doctor. For make this sentence negative, we plus not to our to be verb. She isn't a doctor, or she is not a doctor. It's very easy. And for make these sentences to the question form, we replace our subject and our to be verb. Is she a doctor? The short answers: yes, she is. No, she isn't. That was so easy, isn't it? Now, let's do the second one together. You are 45 years old. For making negative, are plus not. You aren't 45 years old, or you are not 45 years old. And for making question, are you 45 years old? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Okay, friends. Now you know all the story about to be verbs in present tense. Okay, guys. The last page, I prepared some examples for you. Please write them in the comments. Thank you for the watching. Please subscribe my channel and like the videos. See you guys. Bye.